one of you to the Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kerala 2024. 24 contestants from across the world competing for Miss Kerala 2024. Gentlemen, I'm sure a lot of you are excited to see your family members contest for this contest, right? And to start the event with the blessings of the Almighty, to do the honors, I would like to welcome on stage our lovely organizers, Deepa Prasanna and Hardik from Glitz and Glam. I would also like to welcome Anjana Mascarenas and Carl Mascarenas from Diva Pageants. He has a vivacious personality and he's the man behind Glitz and Glam, Mr. Prasanna Chandran, who is also the father of Deepa Prasanna. A warm welcome to Mr. Prasanna Chandran.
वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्।
Thank you, lovely organizers. We all know beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I'm sure many of you would have heard this phrase, right? Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. What might be beautiful to me might not be beautiful to you, and goes vice versa. That's exactly why we have selected our industry experts as the esteemed jury panel today, who have a key eye to find out what exactly is beauty. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as I welcome one by one our esteemed jury panel. Put your hands together for the gorgeous Apeksha Dabral. Bose. Shripian Arun Chandra Bose hails from Kochi, a graduate in zoology and a postgraduate in MBA HRM. He joined Central Bureau of Investigation in 1997 and worked in CBI Pan India. Associated with anti-corruption and special investigating team, he has about 20 years of experience in CBI across India. He opted for VRS as a DYSP to come back to hometown Kochi. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Arun Chandra Bose. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Amra S. Pallavi. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you all know it's not an easy task to put together a show like this, especially getting so many contestants from across the world together to our lovely Kerala and make them contest in such a prestigious pageant like Mrs. Kerala 2024. So let's put our hands together and invite on stage our show directors, Deepa Prasanna.
We started this event assuming that we had
amazing, beautiful talent out here in Kerala in comparison to all the talents in India. ഇത് തുടങ്ങുന്ന സമയത്ത് എനിക്കറിയായിരുന്നു, ഞാൻ ഒരു പാജൻറ്റിൽ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എനിക്കറിയാം കേരളത്തിൽ എന്തുമാത്രം ടാലൻ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ ഐ ആം ട്രൈങ് ടു സ്പീക്ക് ഇൻ മലയാളം. എന്തെങ്കിലും തെറ്റുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ. സോ അത് കാരണമാണ് ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച് നമുക്കൊരു ഷോ തുടങ്ങണം. ഷോ തുടങ്ങണമെങ്കിൽ there should be a genuinity, because this is one platform which will give national and international platform. And like I said, we started this assuming we have best of the talents, and yes, we have found the best of the talents that you will see along the show. Okay, so let me end. I don't want to bore you all, so let me just end this by saying, as Sushmita Sen said, with the line by Sushmita Sen, to go beyond, you have to go through them. So I have been a part of this and I know how this works, and I proudly say that I am doing something for the ladies of Kerala. Through this, Glitz and Glam is going to give opportunity to all the Kerala married women a platform like never before. That is my vision. Thank you. I would like to call Carl, the founder, MD of Diva Pageants.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a voice inside of me that whispers all day long. I know that this is right for me. I feel that this is wrong. No preacher, teacher, husband, friend, or wise man can decide what's right for you. Just listen to the voice that speaks inside. This evening, the voice belongs to Deepa Prasanna, who conceived of something called Mrs. Kerala to give ladies across the state a platform to showcase their skills. Now, typically, when a married lady comes out and is able to pursue her dreams with the support of a family, there's no better way to express in God's own country. You will feel the presence of God. Finally, everybody reads the news. Very, very few people make the news. Shortly, our queens will be front page news. Cheers.
Mentioned earlier, we have 24 gorgeous contestants competing for Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kerala 2024. So we have divided the contestants into two categories. One is silver and gold. So contestants between the age group of 22 to 34 will fall under the silver category, and contestants between the age group of 35 onwards will fall under the gold category. So ladies and gentlemen, are you excited to see our first set of contestants? Yes? No. This energy is not enough. I'm sure our contestants who put in so much effort past few days deserve a huge round of applause and more motivation and encouragement. Don't you agree? Perfect. I love the energy, audience. Thank you so much. So are you ready to witness our 24 gorgeous contestants of Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kerala 2024? Are you ready? On a count of 3, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Presenting to you Mrs. Kerala contestants 2024.
Sare gare sa pa gare gare sa pa gare da gare gare sa dha sare gare ga pa da sare gare sa da pa gare gare sa dha sa. साक्षी सदा पालय सारसाक्षी समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षी समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षी समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालया सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सूचना मोजनी सुहासिनी
सदा पालय सारसाक्षी समानरहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our first contestant of Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kerala 2024, the gorgeous Dr. Shilpa Shashikumar. Can we have a huge round of applause for her? How are you doing today, Shilpa? How are you doing?
Great.
Are you nervous, excited?
Excited more than nervous.
Lovely, that's the spirit. So, we'll move on to the introduction round. I'm sure you want to get to know the contestants a little bit, don't you? Yes. Okay, Shilpa, are you ready for your introduction?
Stay focused. Stay calm. Let your passion create history. Join me as I lead you into my story. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shilpa Shashikumar, a dentist who ensures her patients are pain-free. All the world is a stage and each must play a part. As a trained classical dancer, I steal every heart. My 1-year-old daughter, she's the apple of my eye and taught me that struggles make you do or die. I strive to attain each goal with intensity. Dedication will drive towards my destiny. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shilpa. That was a lovely introduction. Put your hands together for Shilpa Shashikumar, contestant number 1.
मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षी समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षी समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालया सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सूचना मोजनी सुहासिनी.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the gorgeous.
I'm here tonight to spread love. on my thinker's hat. Nasima Azam, raised in Minicoy Island, Lakshadweep, married to Dr. Azam Holida. Our culture runs deep. I am a clinical administrator, also a textile designer. Participating in this pageant will help me reach the top. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasima. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our contestant number 3, Krishna Priya VS. Warm welcome to you, Krishna Priya.
Thank you. The future belongs to those who takes initiative. Life, to me, is a variant of this derivative. Hello all, my name is V.S. Krishna Priya, mother to a cute 4-year-old who is really my Baba. My organization bestowed me with the Unsung Hero Award as part of an outreach program. This was truly my reward. I love art and drawing with a pencil. Dancing uplifts and is my stencil. Empowerment begins with the courage to take the first step. This pageant has taught me to grab every chance I get. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishna Priya. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a contestant number 4, Divya Susan John. Can we have a huge round of applause for Divya Susan John? How are you doing today?
Fine. Thank you. All that matters is to be happy, to enjoy life. This uplifts you and negates any strife. Hi all, This is Divya Susan John. I believe in spreading happiness since the day I was born. I would like to be a social media influencer. Fashion styling is my true enhancer. Dancing showcases my inner personality. Pageantry made me truly embrace diversity. Thank you.
सदा पालय सारसाक्षि सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारंग साक्षि समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सुधा मधुर विलासिनी
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 5, Jade V. Terran. Can we have a huge round of applause for Jade?
Named after a green precious stone called jade, I've come here to put my competitors in the shade. Good evening. My name is Jade V. Terran, and I'm ambitious and compassionate. And I would like to tell all the women out here, never ever give up, and never ever let anyone dull your sparkle, because I aim to be more famous than Meghan Markle. Thank you.
Thank you, Jade.
समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारंग साक्षि समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सूचना मोजनी सुहासिनी.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 6, Kirti Sharma. Can we have a huge round of applause for Kirti Sharma?
Behind every successful woman, there is an understanding, progressive man. My man, constantly boosted to the best I can. My surname is Sharma and my name is Kirti. May sounds North Indian. No, I'm a real Malayali. Nobody tells me what to do. I'm a lawyer. I will sue you. Acting and dancing are my true passions. One, Best Actress in Kerala State Youth Festival for 2 times consecutively. It's a record, I swear. എൻ്റെ വണ്ടി തള്ളാൻ വേറൊരു ആവശ്യമില്ല. Nobody needs to boost me. Me myself is enough. This pageant has lifted me to always project the best stuff I can. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirti.
सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सुधा मधुर विलासिनी सूचना मोजनी सुहासिनी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि सदा पालय सारसाक्षि सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित.
Ladies and gentlemen, these gorgeous saris are designed by Mural by Priya, and the hair and makeup is done by Sabita Zavaria. Can we have a huge round of applause for our partners? Can we also have another huge round of applause for our contestant number 7, Dr. Lakshmi Raj.
Book must be the acts throw the frozen sea within us. Don't bend, don't try to make it logical. Rather, follow your most intense obsession mercilessly. This pageant has helped me enhance myself tirelessly. Dr. Lakshmi Raj is my name, and here to conquer an all-new game. Dentistry is my profession. I address every patient's problems with compassion, fascinated by the works of Khalil Gibran and Kamala Das. I believe in the ideology that all we need is love, praying that tonight's title is gift from up above.
Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi.
सारसाक्षि समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सुधा मधुर विलासिनी
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 8, Vinita Susan Alexander. Welcome, Vinita.
A dreamer woman defies limits. She paints her future with the color of aspirations, ambition, and possibility. I am Vinita Susan Alexander, a dreamer at her best, who have worked tirelessly to exchange, to turn her aspirations into reality. An award-winning engineer, a classical dancer bestowed by Kerala State. With the title in tow, my determination is unwavering. I aim and my goal is to spread positivity wherever I tread, embodying the luminous light I spread. Thank you.
साक्षी समान रहित मोह जागी सदा पालया
Dear audience, when we started off, you promised me something that you will shower a lot of encouragement and motivation on our lovely contestants. You promised me, right? So where is the encouragement? Can we have a huge round of applause for all our lovely contestants so far? And keep the applause going for our contestant number 9, Sunila Suresh. Welcome, Sunila.
Thank you. This caterpillar has turned into a butterfly. Living in a cocoon for 22 years of my life, I finally learned how to fly. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sunla Arun, married to an army man at 22, set me free. One day, she discovered she was full of fire and she couldn't hold herself back because a passion burned brighter than her fear. Through this pageant, I finally feel I attained the top gear. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our contestant number 10, Charlotte Henry, with a huge round of applause. That's the energy. Perfect. Keep it up. Are you ready?
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I have dared to dream and I'm looking to boost my self-esteem. Charlotte Henry is right here in front of you. A 28-year-old mom who is proud of what she is able to do. Graduated in multimedia communication from Calicut University. Pursuing general management in masters and to conquer the city. Having anchored community programs and weddings in UAE, modeling and fashion designing truly excites me. And this pageant has allowed me to show my best hand. I believe I'll forge my identity into a brand. Thank you.
Thank you, Charlotte. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our contestant number 11, Nahamya Ruth, with a huge round of applause. Sugamano Nahamya.
So happy. Thank you. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep. They are those things that doesn't let you sleep. Achievements in life do not permit me to weep. Good evening. I'm Nahamya Ruth, an embodiment of confidence. I never see a booth. Winner of South Indian Style Icon 2023. Passionate dancer, and that's what set me free. My life in the stages of pageantry has embodied life's rich tapestry. Dream it, follow it, achieve it. This title will ensure that I am a hit. Thank you.
Thank you, Nahamya. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 12, Amita Elias.
You cannot change your future, but changing your habits will alter your past. This pageant proved to me I should never be the last. Hi all, Amita Elias is my name. Working in Saudi Arabia has brought me fame. I am a dietitian with an MSc Food Science and Nutrition, educating people that for healthy and balanced meal, there is no substitution. I love yoga and I am a certified yoga trainer. Dancing, singing, I am a content creator. A sportswoman, I have represented Kerala for Kho. And I'm truly grateful for this contest, for helping me to grow. Thank you.
Thank you, Amita.
सदा पालय सारसाक्षि सदा पालय सारसाक्षि सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय सारसाक्षि समान रहित मोहनांगी सदा पालय.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our last contestant from the silver category, contestant number 13, Vrinda Vijay Kumar. Can we have a huge round of applause for our last contestant? I'm sure all of you have had your lunch, right? I think the little baby here has more energy. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the 13 contestants in the silver category? Moving to you, Vrinda, are you ready?
Namaste everyone. There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. Pageantry, I feel, has made me really wise. Dr. Vrinda Vijay Kumar, that's me. A vibrant 30-year-old from Thrissur, you will see. Currently working in Kottayam Medical College as a dermatologist. I am the granddaughter of famous poet Shri Vailopalli Sridhara Menon. Yes, that's my biology. Sometimes skincare products can cause allergic contact dermatitis. I wish I could spread awareness on this so that you all will realize this like arthritis. To become the best, I will go any extent. Overcoming challenges, that's my greatest strength. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at our lovely 13 contestants under the silver category. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Our adorning saris designed by Mural Priya. As you can see, these saris represent the rich culture and heritage of Namoda Kerala, intricately designed. The artist definitely deserves a huge round of applause. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mural Priya? And to make them look this gorgeous, we have the hair and makeup artist, Sabita Zavaria. Can we have a huge round of applause for Sabita? So after the introduction, we have learned that our contestants are highly educated and qualified, doing very well in their respective fields, and also had the courage to come and participate in a pageant like this from across the world. For that, our lovely contestants deserve a huge round of applause as motivation and encouragement. Ladies and gentlemen, in many countries across the world, it is believed that beauty fades after a certain age, isn't it? And our lovely contestants under the gold category are here to prove us all wrong, because beauty definitely doesn't fade after a certain age. And they're going to prove you that with their participation here today. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our first contestant under the gold category, contestant number 14, Shushmita Baiju.
Enjoy life and all its thrills. Don't try to be perfect, just be free and live. Sushmita Biju is here to live life. I am a registered associate of Herbalife Nutrition with a BSc in nursing and an MBA in hospital administration. This health coach has made fitness her passion. Once I was overweight and was round like a ball. With dedication, I lost 22 kg and I learned to walk tall. My love for singing and acting knows no bounds, just like my sons do me proud. Acting in short films, I expressed my creativity. Now I fly towards my dreams by taking part in pageantry. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 15, Naseema Kunju. Looks like Naseema has a lot of fans here already. Hi Naseema, how are you doing?
Doing great, hi. I was once judged on the basis of my physical size. My confidence cut my detractors down to size. Good evening, everyone. I am Naseema Kunju from the beautiful city of Kochi. I have been a teacher for 13 years and published a book, being awarded the Woman Entrepreneur for Culinary World. I make people look. Mother Teresa's missionaries for handicapped children taught me gratitude. Breaking the barriers, today I face the world with a positive attitude. Thank you.
Thank you, Naseema. Audience, put your hands together for our contestant number 16, Smita KV.
The most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. It must be felt within our heart. I am here to give my life a new start. Good afternoon, all. This is Smita KV. 2 kids, but now a 53-year-old divorcee. A science graduate completing my secondary schooling in Dubai. Living there until 2020 has given me a high. I've been through corporate world in admin, logistics, supply chain, training and implementation. Currently, I lead a team in HR that has enhanced their vision. My interests are in media, dance, film and arts. My mentorship to my juniors elevates their hearts. Thank you.
Thank you, Smita. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 17, Anita Shekhar. I was having a little chat with Anita backstage, and trust me, she is a very inspiring person. We are so happy to have you here, Anita. Are you ready?
Jack of all trades, master of none. I am still seeking for a place in the sun. Journalism, administration, hospitality, teaching. Life has made me so many milestones I was seeking. Professor Anita Shekhar, well, that's me. The best English teacher you probably will see. Seeking new pathways to learn people, new things, I became a traverser. Colleagues and students term me an influencer. My only daughter, who is in Canada, is a broadcast journalist. Like me, I taught her always to be first. Thank you.
Thank you, Anita. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for a contestant number 18, Dr. Janet.
I hold double PhD in nursing and psychology. I am a professor come HOD in nursing college. Hello everyone. Dr. Janet J. That's me. Film artist, filmmaker, the best you will see. Written, directed, acted in international, national film, documentaries and shorts. Holy Cow, My Red Carpet, Rameshwari, Window 2020, The Day Repeats, Nannai Kudi. Have woven lot of dignitaries. Pageantry is my passion. Also, writing, acting, and modeling. Be yourself. Everyone else has already taken. My performance has left everyone shaken. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Janet. Lovely audience, put your hands together for contestant number 19, Ayana Ajay.
Every woman should have financial independence. It is not the money, but the security and power that comes with it. Good evening, all. I am Ayana Ajay, a banker by profession and running a beautiful homestay near Ponmudi, Trivandrum. I am Thank you.
Thank you, Ayana. Put your hands together for contestant number 20, Priyanka Kannan. How are you doing, Priyanka?
Doing great. Fight for the things that you truly care about, but in a way that would lead others to join you. But make sure by this you appreciate others' point of view. Priyanka Kannan is my name. Priyanka Kannan is my name. I'm very positive I'll win tonight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 21, Kripa Prakash.
Each time a lady stands for herself, she stands for all other ladies. Good evening, all. Kripa Prakash is my name. This 36 years old from Thiruvananthapuram isn't new to this game. I have graduated BA Hindi, Literature and Language. I am working as a dubbing artist and a script translator. I hold a universal world record for lending my voice, having won Millennium Face of Kerala, Mrs. Fashion Icon 2023. I pray a win tonight will truly set me free. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 22, Jayalakshmi Divakaran. How are you doing?
Very good, thank you. Give me a flower, I will give you a garden. Give me some vegetables, I will give you a full course meal. Give me a house, I will gift you a home. Come to me if you have a difficult situation. I will offer you a streamlined process. That's what I am. A wife, a mother, a quality consultant, a leader, a mentor. And yes, today I am the finalist of Mrs. Keralam 2024. I have evolved from a caterpillar to a butterfly. This metamorphosis has truly helped me to fly. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our contestant number 23, Nishat Ali.
Well, there is a will, there is a way. Surmounting to life's challenges has compelled me to stay. At 48 years, this mother, wife and daughter named Nishat Ali has overcome strife. Not only a homemaker, I am a home baker too. At 35, I started my brainchild, the Cake Haven. This home business offers you a slice of heaven. Beauty is not just a reflection in the mirror, it's the expression of the heart. Being a part of this pageant has made me learn a class apart.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, presenting to you our last contestants from the gold category, Dr. Archana Pillai. How are you doing, Archana?
I'm fine. Insecure people try to make you look small. Confident people love to see you walk tall. My confidence stems from the fact that I have developed into a scholar. Dr. Rajeshwari Archana Pillai, that's me, is now an associate professor of ENT, a practicing head and neck surgeon with a fellowship in aesthetic medicine. I'm executive committee member of IMA. Passionate about teaching and holistic healing, my patients benefit from the information they are gleaning. Be strong, pursue your passion, and live your life without fear. That's the way to get ahead and live a life of cheer.
Thank you, Dr. Archana. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our lovely contestants from the gold category. Aren't they looking ravishing? Yes? Soak in all the encouragement and appreciation that the lovely audience is giving to you, contestants. These saris are designed and hand-painted by murals by Priya, and the hair and makeup is done by Sabita Zavaria. Can we have a huge round of applause for murals by Priya and Savita Zavaria for making these contestants look oh so gorgeous. Thank you, ladies. So let me hear it from our lovely audience. Are you liking the show so far? Are you waiting for more? Are you eagerly waiting for more? Perfect, thank you. So as you know, this lovely pageant wouldn't have been possible without the support of our partners. A big thank you to our partners for showing us so much love, encouragement, and also empowering these gorgeous ladies. I'd like to welcome on stage Deepa Prasanna from Glitz and Glam to do the honors. I'd like to welcome on stage our costume partner for the saris, Priya Perumpillavil. Can we have Priya on stage, please? Thank you, Priya Perumpillavil. The partner is Miss Renju from Sindra Bay School of Design. I'd like to welcome our jury member, Shri P.N. Arun Chandra Bose, ex-DYSP and CBI Kochi. To welcome our print media partner, Rijok K. Mani, the managing editor of Beliza magazine. Next, I'd like to welcome our photography partner, Tony Varghese from Tony Photography. I'd like to welcome our makeup partner, Sabita Zavaria. You're looking gorgeous, and you made the contestants also look very gorgeous. Thank you for being a partner. Next, makeup partner, I'd like to welcome on stage Lakshmi. And the man who's made it all happen, our official choreographer, Jude Felix. Can we have a huge round of applause for Jude Felix? looks like the audience are just awestruck looking at you. Nobody is clapping. Our lovely image coach, Cecilia Sanyal. The lovely founders of Diva Pageants, Anjana and Carl Mascarenas. Thank you, Anjana ma'am and Carl sir, for your huge contribution. Next, I would like to invite on stage our makeup partner, Tanuja from Signature Makeup Artist. Thank you, Tanuja, for your patience and your efforts. Our lovely celebrity guest, Amra S. Pallavi. Thank you, our partners, and a big thank you to Glitz and Glam also for making it happen. I think we need to give you also a little token of appreciation, which we will do a little later. Thank you so much. Deepa Prasanna to felicitate the students of Cinder Bay School of Design. From Cinder Bay, the designers. Next, I would like to invite on stage the representatives from Lakme Academy. Thank you, Lakme Academy, for such a wonderful job. Audience, are you ready to see our contestants again? Just now I was praising all of you for the encouragement that you're providing. Audience, are you ready to see our contestants again? Not enough. I was keeping high hopes. Now you need to reach that level. To our lovely contestants. Perfect, thank you. Here are our contestants from the silver and gold category, ready to set the stage on fire with their beautiful gowns designed by Cinder Bay. Put your hands together for our lovely contestants.
Smoke weed when I need to, and I need to get some rest. Yo, where's my cess? I confess I burned the hole in your mattress. Yes, yes, it was me. I plead guilty, and at the count of three, I pull back my duvet and make my way to the refrigerator. One dry potato inside, no lie, not even bread. Jam when the light above my head went bam, bam. I can't sleep, something's all over me, greasy. Insomnia, please release me and let me dream about making mad love on the heath, tearing off tights with my teeth. I only smoke weed when I need to, and I need to get some rest. Yo, where's my cess? I confess I burned the hole in your mattress. Yes, yes, it was me. I plead guilty, and creaky noises make my skin creep. I need to get some sleep. I can't get no sleep. I need to, and I need to get some rest. Yo, where's my cess? I confess I burned the hole in your mattress. Yes, yes, it was me. I plead guilty, and at the count of three, I pull back my duvet and make my way to the refrigerator. One dry potato inside, no lie, not even bread. Jam when the light above my head went bam, bam. I can't sleep, something's all over me, greasy. Insomnia, please release me and let me dream about making mad love on the heath, tearing off tights with my teeth. I only smoke weed when I need to, and I need to get some rest. Yo, where's my cess? I confess I burned the hole in your mattress. Yes, yes, it was me. I plead guilty, and creaking noises make my skin creep. I need to get some sleep. I can't get no sleep.
Now it's time to judge them based on their thought process and their words. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome on stage our top 8 contestants in no particular order. Kumar. Shilpa Shashi Kumar, can you please step forward? Nasima Azam. Kirti Sharma. Vinita Susan Alexander. Charlotte Henry. Amita Elias. Vrinda Vijay Kumar. Dr. Lakshmi Raj. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our top 8 contestants from our silver category. Thank you so much, rest of our contestants. I'd like to request the top 8 contestants to stay back. Thank you to our rest of our contestants. Dear shortlisted contestants, I would like you to kindly step back and take your positions on stage for the question and answer round.
Not have been easy for you to have this beautiful journey. So I would like to ask you, what is that one special aspect of motherhood?
I appreciate that question. The thing, most extraordinary thing about motherhood, I feel, is when we pick up my child. When I pick up my child, I can feel the map of my bones beneath my hands. Also, the smell, the scent of me in the nape of her. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wonderful.
Thank you, Dr. Shilpa. The next question, I would like Dr. Arun to ask the contestants the next question. And this question will be answered by Nasima Azam. Nazima, can you step forward, please?
Hello, Nasima.
Hello.
My question to you would be, if you had to choose between success and money, what would you choose and why?
I like to choose money because we never get free service from anywhere. So I would like to choose money. Thank you.
That's a very good answer, I guess.
Thank you, Nasima. That was a very honest answer. Not beautified like how you do it in pageantry. Okay, the next question will be asked by Apeksha. And the question will be answered by Kirti Sharma. Can you step forward, please?
Contestant number 6, Kirti. Hi.
Hi.
I must tell you, you're looking ravishing.
Thank you.
All right. What advice would you give to the young girls?
Young girls,
Young girls of India?
what advice you, can you repeat the question?
What advice would you give to the young girls? I'll elaborate the question for you.
Yes.
What advice would you give to the young girls who aspire to participate in beauty pageants?
I have already a crown. Get yours.
Wonderful. Crisp and beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirti. Arun, sir? Next contestant is Vinita Susan Alexander. Can you step forward? Thank you.
Hello, Susan.
Hi, sir.
If you were stranded on a deserted island and could only bring one beauty product, what would it be?
If I am stranded in a deserted island, I would look for a sunscreen so that the sun won't kiss me. I can get rid of the sun kiss.
I guess that's a good answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinita. Thank you, Arun, sir. Next question by Apeksha, and the contestant is Charlotte Henry. Can you step forward?
Hello there, Charlotte.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Very well. So, Charlotte, if you had to promote the tourism of Kerala, what would be your tagline?
My tagline, right? If I got a crown as a Mrs. Kerala, my tagline will be the most precious piece of southern slice of spice.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Charlotte. Arun sir, are you ready?
Yes.
Next contestant, Amita Ilyas. Audience, can we also have a huge round of applause for the contestants? Let's give them some encouragement before they answer the questions. It's definitely not easy to stand up here and answer the questions. Right, Amita?
You said your name is Amita. Namita or Amita?
Amita Elias.
Okay, Amita. Amita, if I look at your social media, what will I notice first?
So you can see metamorphose of me, that I am coming from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you, Amita. Apeksha, you ready?
Yeah.
Next contestant, Vrinda Vijay Kumar.
Hi, Vrinda. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Some perceive marriage as the end of a woman's ambition. Do you agree or disagree?
Completely disagree to the statement, as who is there setting expiry date to a woman's dreams?
Wonderful. Woohoo!
Also, marriage is a beautiful relationship between two individuals. It should never be a hardship. It is beautiful bond between two individuals who very well know whom to worship.
Thank you, Vrinda. Arun sir, are you ready?
Yes.
Next contestant, Dr. Lakshmi Raj.
Okay, doctor. What, according to you, is the biggest barrier to women empowerment?
If I can stand here with confidence, I'm wondering what are those people thinking who has body shamed me?
Wonderful, wonderful. More power to you.
Thank you, Carl. Thank you, Nasima. Our next judge, Hamara, are you ready?
Yeah.
Sure. This question would be answered by Priyanka Kannan.
Hi Priyanka, how are you? Looking very good. My question is, what is the special aspect of motherhood?
Motherhood is the epitome of nature's intelligence. Nowhere in the world will you find such a bond which actively engages someone. So it engages a mother, completely engages a mother. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Motherhood is truly the magic of nature, hence we all exist. Thank you. Next question would be asked by Carl. The question would be answered by Jalakshmi Divakaran. Hello Jalakshmi, how are you doing? I see that you're always smiling. I really like that about you.
Jay, here's a simple yet profound question. What, according to you, is feminism?
Sir, according to me, feminism
Super, super.
Kumar, are you ready? Yeah. The next contestant is Nishad Ali.
Hi, Nishad. Some pursue marriage as end of ambition. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree to disagree.
Yes.
It depends, and we are not, the society has already set some standards, and a married woman cannot do this, a married woman cannot wear this, and like that. Especially our Indian society.
Smita.
Hi, Shushmita. Good evening. Actually, you are very confident. My question: if you had related one person from the history of Kerala, who would that be and why?
Of course, I'll tell the name of Olympian, P.T. Usha. I have saw her in newspapers and I have grown up from such a small village, and she has gone very long. Such an inspiring personality. I would like to call P.T. Usha.
Thank you, Smita. Carl, are you ready?
Contestant.
Next contestant, Janet J.
Janet, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
What is your best moment from the last 3 days of this pageant?
The best moment last 3 days. I earned many things. What I earned is before coming here in 21st, just size of my hand. But now, it's size of the world. I have to learn, I have to be learned.
Thank you, judges. Thank you, our lovely contestants. How are you feeling now that you've answered the questions? A little more relaxed? Yeah, you believe you did a great job? Did your best? Thank you. Hope to see you back on stage again. Under the gold category, the second runner-up title goes to... Yeah, our audience are not even guessing. Any guesses? No guesses? Okay, I will announce. Second runner-up title goes to Nasima Kunyu. Congratulations, Naseema. Congratulations, Naseema. You are truly a rock star. Runner-up under the gold category goes to... Any guesses? No guesses. Okay. Jayalakshmi Divakaran. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold category, at least now, do you have any guesses? Audience? I think the audience is a little shy now. Okay. The winner under the gold category for Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kellam 2024 goes to Priyanka Kannan. Title holder of Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kellam 2024 goes to Dr. Shilpa Shashikumar. Shashi Kumar. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together once again for Amita Ilyas. Any other guesses? Dr. Lakshmi, Brinda, who else? Any other guesses? Kirti, and the list goes on. Well, I'm sure all of them, all the names that you've taken so far, they all are truly deserving. I'm sure this pageant has taught them a lot and they've learned so many life lessons with the experience of having participated in this lovely pageant. And without further ado, let me announce the winner of Glitz and Glam Mrs. Kellam 2024. And the winner is